Hello, my name is Jerry, and this is a brand new picture book I've illustrated. It's written by Erika McGann. It's Too Dark Puffling. And here on the cover we see our two pufflings who go all over their island, Skellig Michael, and they meet loads of animals, including some rabbits. So these rabbits here are around one of the stone huts on the island, and a very clever rabbit has a nice hiding place from the others. So let's draw a bit of this scene with the hut, the rabbits hiding. Okay, it's going to be easy to do. We'll start off with one rabbit over here, and then the hut will be on the right side over there. So the rabbit is going to be looking for her sibling, her sister, and we'll start off with an ear, but she's looking the wrong way. So a nice curve shape for one side of the ear, and then another curve for the other side of the ear. Your second ear will be just a bit behind that one, so we curve up and then just down a little bit, stop there. So this ear is behind that one, and she's looking the wrong way, she's looking over this way. So we'll put in a nose to start with, a small little triangle for her nose, forehead, and another curve for the lower part of her face. Okay, so next we can add in an eye, round eye, and she's looking over that way. Okay, a couple of whiskers, some lines there. Okay, so we've pretty much already done the ears and the face of the rabbit, and she looks a little bit concerned or confused, or she's listening. Rabbits listen really well with those big ears. Okay, her back next, a nice curvy line down to here for her back, and her tail will be at the end of her back. And she's facing over this way, and she's standing on her back leg. So we're going to put in her back leg with a curve like this, and then her foot. There's one of her back legs and a foot, and then a couple of little toes then on that foot. And then the other back leg would just be here, curving, and then around for the foot and back in again. And then a couple of toes. So all that we're left with now are her front paws, and she's going to be holding them together. Let's say that's one paw here, and then the other paw tucked in just a little bit behind, because she's just a bit worried. There's the little toes. She's just a bit concerned where her sister's gone. Now we have a little line then coming down just like that to finish the rabbit's body. Okay, so she's a bit worried and she's listening carefully. She's trying to locate her sister, who's well hidden over here. So let's put in that stone hut. Okay, so we're going to have a line coming up to about there, and then coming across, and this is only a small section way up off the page. Well, not off the page, but it's a small bit of the stone hut, which would be huge, really, really big compared to the rabbits. And curve around here at the front. So this shape is the stone hut, and then there's a small little opening, very old opening on a very old stone hut, like this, and that's where the rabbit's going to be hiding. So she's definitely looking the wrong way. The rabbit must be very, very quiet inside the little opening. No one can hear her. But we'll draw her next. So just one more rabbit I think I'll put up here. This one is also looking for her sibling, her sister. We'll start off with an ear, that shape again, and second ear. We're falling over a bit. You can show some expression with how you position, how you place the ears on a rabbit or on a dog or any creature really that you do. Okay, so there's the two ears, and then of course she has her face underneath, a couple of lines coming down. We can add in the nose, little triangle again, and then she's also hearing something over there, but it's not the sister. Could be something else. Could be a bird. Two eyes, and she's looking over that way. A bit surprised expression there. And then she also has some whiskers. Give her a little mouth. Just that simple dot will do. And she has her 2 paws stuck up on the side of the hut there. And with the 2 rabbits, actually, we could see the inside of these ears. This is facing out towards us. Put a line like that. And then another, just a curving line like this. Now the ear is more like it's facing us. And again there. But this one is facing the other way. So we're not seeing inside of that ear. Okay, the last thing to do is the very, very well hidden little rabbit down here. We'll start off with front of her head, the curve shape, and then nose, and then eye. She's watching. And she's got her 2 ears inside, so we don't see them really in full, just a bit. And then the underside of her face. She's quite happy with her good hiding place. She has her whiskers as well. A couple of lines there, and then her front paws. She's snuggled in. Her excellent hiding place inside a stone hut. So there'll be another little line there just to show she's inside. There are some stony shapes perhaps we could put around it. Very simple. But these are really old stone huts that have been on the island for 1,000 years. And there are some bits of grass around to show that they're outside on this summer evening. The story is set in the summer, and these are little flowers as well. The island is full of white flowers in the summer. Okay, so there's some rabbits playing hide and seek. Well done! If you'd like to share your drawing, you can ask a grown-up, and all the details are on the next screen. Okay, bye!